Don't forget subscribe. I wait you. I am grateful to you, my friend. Hello everyone, welcome to a new video today for how to add broker in MetaTrader 5 with Exness. First step, download and install MT5. If you haven't already, then launch it. If MT5 opens an open an account pop-up, just click cancel for now. In MT5, go to the menu File, log into Trade Account. Now you want to find Exness Technologies Ltd, click him. Now you open Tap Chose, connect with an existing trade account. Now go to Exness browser, log in your account. In your Exness personal area, PA, locate the trading account number and the server name for that account, e.g., something like Exness Real One. You will need these to log in. On successful login, you'll hear a chime and see live price ticks in Market Watch and connection status in the lower right, e.g. green bars,